How efficient is the hub and spoke model? 4. Logistics distribution. Imagine a busy airport with planes arriving and departing from a central hub, then flying out to various destinations. This is similar to how the hub and spoke model works in logistics. It's a system where a central location, called a hub, consolidates shipments before sending them out along routes, known as spokes, to regional areas or customers. This setup is used a lot in warehouse and inventory management because it simplifies the whole process. In this model, inventory is stored mainly at the hub, which makes managing stock easier. Logistics managers can plan daily dispatches more efficiently because they see everything in one place. They can assign delivery routes based on geographic knowledge, which helps reduce confusion and errors. Managing multiple warehouses or distribution centers becomes simpler because most of the inventory is centralized. This means less time spent on loading and unloading at different locations, speeding up the whole process. Route planning is a big advantage of this system. By consolidating shipments at the hub, companies can plan the shortest and most efficient routes to each spoke. This reduces the miles traveled, cuts down on fuel costs, and shortens delivery times. When deliveries are quicker and more predictable, customer satisfaction goes up. Delivery drivers benefit too because they have clearer routes and can complete more deliveries in less time. Cost savings are another key benefit. Centralizing shipments means fewer workers are needed for managing inventory and shipments. Transportation costs go down because instead of many small trips, freight is combined into fewer, larger loads. This also means fewer distribution centers are needed, which lowers costs for storing inventory and running facilities. The model also helps with resource use. Inventory can be moved from the hub to spokes based on actual demand, which reduces overstock and waste. Receiving and inspecting goods happen mainly at the hub, freeing regional centers to focus on fulfilling orders. This reduces duplicated work and speeds up the entire process. But there are some challenges too. Relying heavily on the central hub can cause delays if something goes wrong there. Congestion during busy times can slow down processing and dispatch. If a company wants to expand or add more spokes, it can make the system more complex because all goods flow through the hub. In real-world logistics, the hub and spoke model works well for companies that want to keep costs low while maintaining fast delivery. It is especially useful for last-mile delivery, regional distribution, and inventory management. The system is flexible enough to change as demand shifts, allowing companies to keep their operations efficient over time. Overall, the hub and spoke model is a smart way to organize logistics. It helps optimize routes, cut costs, and make inventory management smoother. But it needs careful planning to avoid bottlenecks at the hub. When managed well, it can be a powerful tool for building a reliable and efficient supply chain.